Hey there, welcome to Garage Door Guidance. I wanted to cover a video today on what to do if your Liftmaster or Chamberlain carriage had come off of the rail. Now, first step that you want to do is check your trolley, and we'll take the cotter pin out. So you want to take a look at this just to make sure this isn't all mangled up. If it is and you need a new one, I'll put a link in the description below. If not, and it's just bent too wide, which is likely why it came off in the first place, all we need to do is clip it back up onto the rail and then bend it back in so that it doesn't have enough wiggle room to slide back off. While doing all that, we also don't want to cram it too tight onto there because then it might not slide onto your carriage easily. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and clamps of some sort. The first thing you want to do is get this guy back onto here. If it's already wide enough and it slides right back onto there, that's fine. If not, and you need a little bit of leverage to get it back on there, you can use a flathead screwdriver. Just kind of clip it right back on like that. At this point, I mean, you can try to see if it just pops right down on its own. You can try to get it to come off. And if it doesn't, you should be okay to just reconnect everything. Now, if it does just slide right back off, what you need to do is, again, clamp it a little bit so that it doesn't have that room to come off. So I've just got a pair of vice grips here. Again, just to demonstrate, you kind of just get it on here a little bit. Again, we don't want to do too much, but we'll just kind of clamp both sides just a little bit. So again, that way, if it was sliding off, it won't slide off anymore. And from here, all you really do is reattach your opener arm, and that should be it. So reattached. Now you can press the button for this to re-engage on its own, or you can do it by yourself. That should be all in terms of getting that trolley back onto your opener rail. Once again, I do have this trolley and carriage set linked in the description below. Hopefully this helped. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.